So you've just installed Python on your computer, you've checked it's there, and you can do that with the command. I've done that in the last video. Command prompt. What was it again? Python space line version. That shows it's on your computer. Python version 3.9.1. So it's on mine. Okay, done a video on that. In case you're having problems, follow that video as I did. But that's on. So, how do you run it on your computer? Okay, let's go to this. Start. Now I've just added it, so it's on recently added. It's there. Got my Python modules, idle. That's like an editor, and Python manuals. Okay, let's go to idle. I'll click that. Idle shell. Python 3.9.1, that's the latest one. As of December the 7th. Okay, let's see if that works. I've got paste something in there. Print hello world. There's different colours as well. That makes it nice and clearer. I'm going to press enter and hello world. Right, excellent. That works. So that can be used as an editor, much nicer and clearer than doing it in the command app. Okay, let's have a look what else is on here. Python module docs, Python manuals. Let's have a look. This might come with tutorials. I'm not certain. Documentation. What's new in Python? Okay. Python module index. What's new? Python tutorial. Might come in handy. Possibly looping techniques, etc. String format. Any problems? I found W3 Schools quite helpful. An informal introduction. So using Python as a calculator. Let's have a look. Of course. Not make a calculator like JavaScript, but just actually use it. Just use it for the numbers. Yeah, I see. So here you have add, minus, so forth. Okay, so quite detailed instructions there. Let's go back. First steps towards programming. Okay, it's all there. So let's come out of that. So that could be helpful. Python how-tos. Okay, probably a bit more advanced stuff going on here. But it's all there, anything you need to look up. Okay, let's come out of there. Let's try that again. That was in recently added. Module docs, what's this? Okay, so what's going on now? I'm trying to paste in, but it's not working. PyDoc index of modules. Not certain what that is. If you haven't recently added it, just start typing Python and you'll find it. Okay, so that's how you can run on your computer on the idle. Let's have another quick look at that. And looks quite good. So you can start practicing here. Nice little editor. Okay, that's how you run it on your computer.